Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Nate's Auto DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a cabin filter on a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. It also goes for the 2003 to 2007 and the Toyota Matrix. So basically, you get into your passenger door. You get into the glove box here. Then you press on the sides of the glove box. It'll come down like that. And right here, let me turn the light on. Right there is your cabin filter. All you got to do is kind of grab the top of it and it slides down like that. And then there's your cabin filter. Just pull it out. And as you see, it is pretty dirty. I got this car not like 3 days ago, so I'm doing all this little maintenance, but yeah, that's a pretty dirty filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that down there real quick. This is the new filter. Make sure it's lined up correctly. As you see, it has airflow, so make sure it's pointed down. Most of the time it won't fit a certain way, so just keep that in mind. So just push it in there. It fits just fine. Click it back into place if it can. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, it should be in. And then once you do that, oh, this thing came off of here. That's fine. Basically, there is like notches on the back of the glove box. You basically just kind of pop it in there first. I'm going to have to take this thing off, so give me a sec. Alright, so you basically just pop the notches in there first. Push it in kind of like this. And then once they're in, just close it back up. And you're all done. So, that's how you replace your cabin air filter for the 2003 to 7 Pontiac Vibe and some of the Matrixes. Most Toyota cars have the cabin filter in the back. Behind the glove box. So, yeah, if you like this, please like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.